What's up, my friends? It's Danny B, NA Sky, outside of Peddler's daughter. It's like York's Wild Kingdom out here, guys. We get a couple fucking ducks. I believe they're ducks up on a wall hanging out. Chilling like Bob Dylan on penicillin, guys. So it's Thirsty Thursday. I am downtown like Julie Brown with the old lady, guys. We're just starting our night at Peddler's daughter. I'm going to be bouncing soon. Probably going to Fodi's, probably going to Paduch, then back downtown. So thanks for checking. For the best city in the whole world, guys, Nashua, New Hampshire. It's me, Danny B, the whole fucking show. Let's go, guys.